Hey guys, I just wanted to show you something really quick. This is the new Irving Barber Company straight razor. It does not, look at that, it does not have a handle. It does not have one of these traditional handles like this. So it has this. And what I found to be super awesome about that is you just unscrew that, pop the blade in right here. It magnetizes to the back. I can literally come over here and now have a different angle for my razor work on my face. Look, nothing's in the way, guys. No handle to get in the way. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look how elite that is. And it just cleans up. You can get the sides. You can do your own beard right here. Look. Just because of the way you can hold the device, look at it. Look, guys, you could draw with it. Look at that, guys. Nice, clean. Look at that, guys. Look, your own beard lineup right there. Look, guys. Look at that. Your own beard lineup. Look, you sweep everything right away. Guys, I literally pulled this right out of the box, started playing with it. Look at that. I hope you guys like that. Just a quick little thing I set up. Look at that. New Irving Barber Company straight razor. It's fire.